Part 2 of question 7b is to design the memory circuit. Hence only this part we are interested in. As D flip-flop is to be used, we need to understand the device before moving on to design. From the function table, we can see that when input pre is activated, that is low, output Q is high. And when input CLR is activated, output Q is low. Only when both of this input are not activated, input D and CLK will have effect on the device. In this case, when there is a rising edge at CLK, output Q will be loaded with the data from input D. To avoid confusion over duplicated D label, we shall change that from the door sensors to DS. Now we are ready to design. Let's see how the circuit works. When the door is opened, that is DS becomes logic 1 or go high, signal F will be cleared to logic 0. So we can connect DS to CLK. When it becomes high, input D will be loaded to Q. So we can supply input D with logic 0 and take the output F from Q. This design will also work for this statement, as when DS is low or when the door is closed back, output remains unchanged. The next requirement is when the password is entered correctly, that is K equal to 1, signal F will be set to logic 1. This means Q will go high. We know that for Q to go high, we need to supply pre with a low. So we need an inverter to invert signal K before going to pre-input. We also need to supply CLR with a logic high, as shown here. So here is the design for the memory circuit.